We're here to celebrate the 25th anniversary of our Millennium Forest that was planted here in the year 2000 to commemorate the millennium, but also to serve as a reminder of the importance of forests in our community and right across our province, whether that's for those who enjoy our forests for recreational purposes or for the many businesses that rely on forestry for their well-being. We're here with some of the people who originally established this forest. We are thanking all of them, local businesses and volunteers who worked with the Ministry of Natural Resources and really took the time out of their day to establish what you see here now, which is a small demonstration urban forest for the people of Sault Ste. Marie to enjoy, but also as a reminder for all the people who work in this building, in the Roberta Bondar Building, from the Ministry of Natural Resources and the work that they do in managing our forests. Employees largely from Ontario Lottery and Gaming Corporation and the Ministry of Natural Resources started moving here in 1992. 8 years later, the millennium is upon us, and the staff in the building from the Ministry of Natural Resources said, what can we do to celebrate? And oh, by the way, when we look out here, we see a very barren lawn. All grass, not a lot of nature there. And everyone in that building was used to managing natural forests, particularly the Boreal Forest and the Great Lakes St. Lawrence Forest Regions. So that led to an idea of why don't we establish a forest? Easy to say, tough to do, but a major undertaking to relocate not only tree species, but the shrubs and the ground vegetation that's typical of those two forest regions in Ontario. And 25 years later, the results are here to be seen. It's being occupied by wildlife. People have a chance to wander through it and see different tree species and ground vegetation, and it's really served its purpose to remind us of just how important our forests are to the people of Ontario.